Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open apps in split screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can master how to open and manage apps side by side with the split screen view or the pop-up view. So this is ideal for multitasking like watching videos while replying to messages or browsing while taking notes. So here as an example, we'll go ahead and open up YouTube, we'll open up Google Chrome, we'll open up the Lux Power, we'll go ahead and open up Amazon. Now here, if I want to go ahead and open up in split screen mode, I can go ahead and tap on the app switcher, tap on Amazon Shopping, and then tap on Open Split Screen View. Then I can go ahead and choose what other app I want to open it up in. Now with this, you can go ahead and also choose if you want to open up it in pop-up view. So you can go ahead and see 3 apps in one go. So you have your split screen option going in the background, and you have a pop-up view. So say for example, if you're watching a video on this Google tab, you can go ahead and watch other screens as well while you're watching that video. So the benefit for this is it's ideal for multitasking. You can watch videos while replying to messages, or you can do notes while browsing the internet. So there you go guys, that's how to open up split screen mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.